Last video I showed you how to make this rope maker, which when you spin one, spins all of them. We will be making a rope maker's top. So I drilled holes and I cut out this. And I drew a circle to make it a little bit smaller. And now I'll be cutting it out with the jigsaw. So I just made a new one of these because mine last time broke. I was putting too much pressure on this, and I was also using a metal bit, which was the wrong bit. So I will drill these out. We will need to make guide holes in this, so paracord or rope can go through this and we can guide this. So I will do them one right there. So I got this little ball that we're gonna cut in half and then screw onto this. So then it helps guide the string in. So let's cut this in half. So I just finished putting this on. So now so how this works is we're gonna put the strings to these holes. We'll put through paracord or some string and hang this. This will be our top, or rope maker's top. And so then we'll string the string through. Now we're going to cut this straw in half, put it through this so it doesn't go like this and bind. Finally finished up this rope making machine. How it works is you will be taking the rope, then you put it on this, and then you come down, put it through here, you put it on this, you put it back through here, put it on this, and then you take it back down, put it through here, put it on this, and you put it through here, come back down, put it on this, then come back up, put it through here, put it through here, put it through here, come back down, put it on this. So once we're done, we'll kind of make a slip knot like this. Well, it keeps on getting stuck, but there's our cord. So this is our rope. It's nicely wound up, as you can see. So here are my two ropes. This is the Mason line